Diagon Alley. Diagon Alley. Diagon Alley. Lego. Diagon Alley. What's inside? Oh wow, oh gosh, oh wow, oh wow, oh my goodness, oh wow. Book 1. Look at all these delicious pieces. Oh wow, oh wow, oh my goodness. Yum 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 yum. This looks good. Squeaky 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 squeaky. Kaboomy! Whee! What is this? That little guy's freaking me out. Grandpa, are you in this pile? What have you two done? Oh, you did this. Oh, cool. Did you do this too? Oh, a little couch. Oh, cool. So you've got Ollivanders and Scribulus. This is where the wands are. And this is where, I guess you get ink quills and stuff. I don't know. Owls are hanging out there. Looks shady. From the back, you've got a little couch room with a creepy skull and a rug. And another room with a bunch of boxes. One of those moves. And some more boxes with wands in them. A lot of those do actually have wands in them. That's a pretty cool detail. And all those little quills. Pretty cool. And then you can rotate the staircase in. Beep boop boop boop. Book 2. Whoa, that's a big dump. More pieces. Ooh, more bits and giggles. Look how fancy this is getting. Look how fancy this is getting. It's just so fancy. It's so fancy. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Look at all these tiny little things. All these little Quidditch supplies and boxes. Oh, it's too scary. Oh, okay. That's better. Ooh, neat. Cool. Pew 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 pew. This is the old Quidditch shop at Daily Profit. I'm sorry, that was probably not very nice. Yeah. Lots of little signs. Cool windows. Neat stuff. If you go up to the top of the building, you'll see a couple newspapers just dumped up there. Just trashed. And around to the backside, up in the attic area, you've got a rat, which that's a health code violation. You've got all these little Quidditch supplies, broomsticks, I guess that's a mannequin. Ooh, creepy spider, some Daily Profits in a crate, some more Quidditch supplies. It's cool, they made it look like little stacks of shirts and stuff. Well done.